freshers to Westford Bowling 2025.
It was a good experience. We met a lot of people, we made a lot of friends. It was competitive as well.
I'm gonna win.
At Westford, every frame is a memory.
It's actually my first time bowling, and well, there's a lot of competitive spirit in the air, but I hope we can all be friendly and have fun today.
It was a great experience with meeting everyone, bowling, and even getting free food and drinks.
Next year's freshers also go for this. It was very fun.
Yeah.
So, see you next year.